Hi guys, my name is Jenna. If you guys are new here, welcome back to my channel and welcome to our empty house tour. Oh my gosh. My husband and I moved all the way across the country from 5 minutes right outside of Washington, D.C., all the way to Salt Lake City, Utah. We are here for at least 5 years for my husband's medical residency, and we decided to buy a home. This is actually something that I'm sure, just like everybody else, this is something that I've been wanting to do for what feels like my entire life. Did anybody else have their very first savings account and they were thinking, okay, I'm gonna save up this money to buy a house? Oh wait, let me put on my rings. I usually take them off when I'm cleaning, so anyways. And so yeah, I've been saving up for what feels like my entire life for this thing that we're standing in today, and I'm so excited. I did the apartment living. Right after college, I moved to Arlington, Virginia. I lived in, I think, 4 different apartments in my time there, and it was honestly so much fun. I have a whole separate apartment hunting video in Arlington because I loved renting in Arlington. I can't afford to buy in Arlington, but it was so much fun to rent. I was able to live in basically all of the main Arlington neighborhoods, and it was so much fun just being walking distance to all of my best friends, the best restaurants, the best bars. It's also a really safe area too. And so when we matched here for residency in Salt Lake City, we were like, okay, I think we're actually ready to buy a house. And I actually do have a separate YouTube video where my husband and I came back out here in April and we toured upwards of probably 20 different homes, all different types: condos, single family homes, townhomes, new builds, 100-year-old homes, all different areas of Salt Lake City. And after all those tours and all that time and a lot of discussion, we landed on this house and I can't wait. The video that I'm about to show you guys is me at 6:30 in the morning, immediately after we got our keys. It was the day that we funded, so the official first day that we owned the house. And I came to the house 30 minutes before I had to log on because I still work East Coast hours. And so yeah, those are just really my raw reactions. I didn't say anything about decor or anything. I really just wanted to document me being in the empty house and showing you everything. I have a separate video coming of my whole entire house hunting journey, but in the long run we ended up going with a new build townhome community just because, and I'll expand more in another video, but at this stage of my life, I'm 29 years old. I have 2 full-time jobs. I work 9 to 5 full-time at an accounting firm internally, and I also create YouTube videos twice a week, every single week. And I'm also a new wife. I moved to a new city. At first I thought I wanted a single family home, so that's the majority of what we toured when we came in April. But then I kind of realized after we saw this place for the first time, this was one of the last places that we saw also in our tours, that I think I'm not ready for a whole single family home yet. And I think that's totally okay. I can still technically be a homeowner while not having to deal with some of the headaches of having a home, like lawn care and bursting pipes and, crazy things that I know being a homeowner probably includes, that I know I'm just not really ready for yet. And I think this new build townhome is actually a nice stepping stone to that big single family home that we'll have one day. In terms of our home, and for the first home that I could ever buy, this isn't a forever home and it's not really my dream home by any means, but I really do think this is the best case scenario for the very first home that we could buy. So I'm really excited to show you, and I have so many ideas about how to make this house more homey, more me, add more color into it, but it is so lovely. So without further ado, let's rewind about a week from the day that I'm filming this, and this is the day that I got the keys. My husband and I just bought our very first house in Salt Lake City, Utah, and here is an empty house tour. I've also been vlogging my entire moving process, so make sure you guys are subscribed. But okay, let's start outside. First, we have a 2-car garage, and then from the garage door, this is the only thing that's in our house right now, it's a rug. In the first floor here, we actually have 1 bedroom. And I love that it's a full 1 bed, 1 bath. So we have a shower here, we have a sink, lots of cabinets, and I love the lighting and the fixtures and everything. So this is the first floor. Here's the closet of the first floor bedroom too. Overall, this is going to be, I'm pretty sure, my workspace and a guest room too. This unit also has a separate door to like the outside. The initial idea of this bedroom was to have it be an optional commercial space, which I thought was interesting. So that's why there's an extra door, but we probably won't be using it much. Additionally, I love that the garage door has like a nice entryway nook, so we can put a bench, our coats, our bags, and we'll actually have like a sitting space to put shoes, because in our old apartment, it was just, everything was all scattered right in front of the door all the time. I'm gonna blur out for privacy purposes, but this is our front door. And then from the front door, we have a flight of stairs with a nice railing, some windows, and then this is our living room. Oh my gosh, I love the living room so much. It's so big. I can't wait to decorate everything. And then this is what our kitchen looks like. I think it's so pretty. It's also like 6:15 in the morning, so this is what the morning light looks like. We have a balcony here too, which I love. I can't wait to have an actual balcony. More of a closer look of what the kitchen looks like. All of our appliances were also included in this new build construction as well, which I think was just such a huge perk. We have all LG appliances, which is truly some of the best. And I love especially that the water dispenser is on the outside of the fridge, because I feel like a lot of fridges don't have that anymore. And there's even 2 ice makers, which I just think is really cool. Lots of cabinetry, both above the fridge, the gas range area, the microwave, and then even over here is a pantry. On the other side of the stove, we have the sink with this huge chef's island. It's so beautiful, and even more cabinetry and storage too. So it's nice because all of these drawers are also soft close, which is a huge perk. I can't wait. This is the biggest upgrade I've ever made in my entire life. I feel like I've been saving truly like my entire life for a house like this as my first home. So I just think it's so beautiful. Oh my God, I love it, but we're not even done. Here's what the kitchen looks like from the other side and the living room. Then you have, if you go up just one stair, we actually have a main floor powder room too, which is really nice. So we just have a toilet, a window, and a nice little mirror. This is really good for guests so that they don't have to go up and down to go use the bathroom when they're here. And then from the powder room, we have carpeted stairs, which at first I didn't like, but I actually think it's really good for future children, for our pets, for just being safe too. We also have a railing. Right up the second floor, we have our laundry and linen closet, which I think is so nice. Also, again, an LG front load washer dryer, and then a huge, I love that there's also built-in shelves for bedding, towels. We even have room to put our hampers here. So it'll just be really nice because it's in the middle of the space. This is our water heater, nothing really special there. And then on the left side, we have the master bed. I think it's so crazy how much smaller rooms look when there's no furniture in it, but if I stand in the corner, here's what the master bed looks like. Every single bedroom in the house has its own separate thermostat and AC, which apparently is a common Utah thing, but I was not used to that in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. From the bedroom, we have the bathroom. Here's what it looks like. We have double sinks. We've also never had that before. Oh my God, and I'm so excited to have it. Lots of cabinetry, again with the soft close drawers, and then our master bath actually has a walk-in shower, which is nice too. The only thing about this is that they warned us with a door that opens this way. We need to make sure that we always have a towel here, just because there was no other place to put like 2 towel hooks. So we just always have to make sure that that's covered. And then I also love that there's a separate whole little door and room for the toilet too, because that's also new for us. But here's what the bathroom looks like from the other side. And then from the master bath is actually our huge walk-in closet, which is so big. I love that there's built-in shelves everywhere throughout the master closet. And I just feel like this is going to be such a good use of space. Okay, let's walk out the master bed, cross the little hall, and then this is our dedicated guest room, which is actually pretty big. When I first toured the model home, which was this exact floor plan, I thought that this was the master bed. There's even a nook here for your desk. So I think my main office is probably going to be here, but it's also going to serve as a full guest room as well, with a queen bed, desk for them to use. Ideally, we'll have 2 desks in this house. And here's what the guest closet looks like. It's literally so big. This is why I thought this was the master bed at first, because this closet is maybe even bigger, or if not the same size as the master closet. And then we also have a full bath here as well. It's so, look at how big the mirror is. And the light fixtures are all polished nickel. And then we have black accents. And then in the guest bed, we have a full bath with a full tub. So I'm very excited. A nice big soaking tub. I also love that there's built-in little shelves here too. And other than that, that's our house. I'm not going to show much in this video for privacy purposes, but in every single window of our house, you can see mountains, which I just think is so cool. Mountains to me feel like living by the ocean. Like you're just kind of always surrounded by it, and it's so peaceful, and you kind of feel like you're always in company, if that makes sense, which is probably really weird, but here it is. This is my home. I'm also vlogging my entire moving journey, moving cross country from the DC, Maryland, Virginia area all the way to Salt Lake City, Utah. I have a couple of vlogs that have already been live, but this is the official Empty House tour. If you want to see the whole journey, make sure you guys check out other videos on my channel. And I think that's everything for this video. I will see you guys in a new video very soon. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. I post new videos twice a week in 2026. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video in this house. But until then, miss you already.